Meta_Quant Bridge 4.3, your ultimate trading companion. Greetings, fellow traders and Meta_Quant enthusiasts. Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of futures trading, where innovation meets simplicity. Today, we're thrilled to unveil the Meta_Quant Bridge version 4.3, a revolutionary advancement meticulously crafted by the talented minds at Kanter. In this video, we'll embark on a comprehensive exploration of this incredible release, which promises to transform your trading experience. So, fasten your seat belts, and let's dive into the future of trading. Section 1, Seamless Setup and Reliability. Introducing Bridge version 4.3. Meta_Quant Bridge 4.3 marks a pivotal moment in the realm of futures trading. This update is more than just software, it's your partner in conquering the trading world. No more install.bat hassles. Say goodbye to those frustrating installation procedures. Bridge 4.3 has bid farewell to install.bat, simplifying the setup process. Now, you can channel your energy into what truly matters, your trades. Automatic dependency verification. Launching Bridge 4.3 is like opening the door to a hassle-free trading journey. It conducts automatic dependency checks, ensuring that all necessary components are in place. No more worries about missing dependencies, it's all taken care of. Effortless updates. Staying up to date with the latest features and improvements has never been easier. Bridge 4.3 automatically checks for updates upon launch, sparing you the hassle of manual updates. Enjoy uninterrupted trading with peace of mind. Section 2, Empowering Instrument Management. Complete MT5 platform integration. Bridge 4.3 empowers you with unprecedented control over all futures instruments on the MT5 platform. This means you have access to a vast array of instruments, expanding your trading horizons. Direct access to 160+ futures contracts. Unlock a treasure trove of trading opportunities with direct access to over 160 futures contracts. Diversify your portfolio effortlessly and explore a world of potential. Lightning-fast instrument search. In trading, every second counts. Bridge 4.3 understands this urgency. The newly introduced search feature lets you find specific instruments in the blink of an eye, streamlining your research and decision-making process. Unparalleled speed and reliability. Bridge 4.3 isn't just about features, it's about performance. This version boasts enhanced speed and reliability, ensuring a seamless trading experience. Bid farewell to the frustrations of slow or buggy trading tools. Section 3, Effortless Trading Experience. No more installation hassles. Bridge 4.3 prides itself on its simplicity. Say goodbye to complex installations, now, you can start your trading journey with a single click. This streamlined approach ensures trading is accessible to all, regardless of technical expertise. Automatic updates for peace of mind. Staying current with the latest features and improvements is crucial. Bridge 4.3 takes the weight off your shoulders by providing automatic updates. No more manual downloads or installations, your trading tool is always up to date. No downloads required. With Bridge 4.3, downloading multiple files is a thing of the past. This version leverages cloud technology, offering a seamless trading experience without the need for users to download anything. Section 4, Shaping the Future of Futures Trading. In conclusion, Meta_Quant Bridge 4.3 represents a turning point in the world of futures trading. The dedicated efforts of the Kanter development team have given birth to a tool that simplifies and enhances the trading experience. Gone are the days of complicated installations, manual updates, and instrument search headaches. With Bridge 4.3, you have instant access to an extensive range of futures contracts and a seamless trading experience. Join us as we embrace the future of trading with Meta_Quant Bridge 4.3. It's not just a tool, it's a companion, a partner in your trading journey. Let's simplify trading together. With Meta_Quant Bridge 4.3, the possibilities are endless, and the future of futures trading is brighter than ever. It's time to explore, expand, and elevate your trading experience. Let's get started.